In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix emergent AI build errors. If your project suddenly stops building correctly, the most important thing is to stay calm and troubleshoot in a clean, controlled way. We're going to walk through a simple process that helps you stop unnecessary credit usage, identify the real error, and get your build back on track. First, open Emergent AI and go to your project as usual. Once you're there, pause the AI immediately. This is an important first move because if the system keeps running while the code is already broken, it can continue making changes and waste credits without actually solving the issue. Pausing gives you control and prevents the problem from getting more complicated. Next, open your browser's developer tools by pressing F12. This gives you access to the behind-the-scenes information that can tell you exactly what went wrong. In most cases, the real cause of the build error will show up there more clearly than in the main app interface. After that, go to the console or terminal tab, look carefully for the red error text, and copy it exactly as it appears. This part matters a lot. The exact wording of the error is usually the fastest way to understand whether you're dealing with a missing package, a syntax issue, a bad environment setting, or something else. Try not to summarize it or rewrite it, because even a small difference can make troubleshooting harder. Once you have the error, reset or clean the project. This helps remove leftover broken state, outdated files, or partial changes that may be causing the build to fail repeatedly. A clean project state often makes it much easier to test whether the problem is truly fixed. From there, feed the AI one job at a time. This is a very effective habit when you're fixing build issues. Instead of asking for multiple changes at once, give it a single clear task. That makes it easier to verify results and prevents one fix from creating several new problems somewhere else. Then refresh and check your keys. If your project depends on configuration values or connected services, make sure those keys are still present and valid. Sometimes builds fail, not because the code is wrong, but because a required key is missing, expired, or not being read correctly after a change. Finally, clear your browser cache and refresh the page. This can fix random web glitches, stale interface behavior, or loading issues that make the app seem broken even when the underlying build is fine. If you follow this process in order, you'll have a much easier time isolating the issue and fixing emergent AI build errors efficiently.